So I made a silly little drum kit in Logic Pro recently, and then I brought the MIDI file of that drum track as well as the audio file here into Unity. And then I used a code library called WetDryMidi to actually parse out those MIDI notes into a representation where I could send events around and then build animation systems for things that would react to those notes while the music plays in Unity. So this was all kind of based on a little silly machine shop percussion drummer kit that I was playing with, and so naturally the things that will be animating and reacting will be robot arms and pistons striking plates and these little steam jet things. So without further ado, here is the very rough demo as it is at this point. So, a few issues, and I'm going to rework the percussion track kind of with this in mind so that it all just makes more sense. But the important thing is the MIDI notes are driving things, which has a lot of possibility for some interactive music gameplay features that I have in mind for the future. Also, it could be fun next time I work on visuals for a music video. So just kind of fun little thing, and happened to get to this stage at the end of the week. It's 5 p.m. on a Friday here, so just want to share.